Looking for your dream car? It could be the 2018 Lexus ES. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 35,000 miles on the odometer. Elevate your daily drive in this boldly styled ES. Smooth and composed, this meticulous midsize luxury sedan spoils you with spacious comfort. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, power passenger seat, fog lamps, backup camera, alarm, power driver's seat, steering wheel audio controls, aluminum wheels. Make a bold style statement in this striking ES luxury sedan. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.